Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am at a different place. It's more like luxury cars park place. I mean, where all the broken cars, they buy all the broken cars, damaged cars, and they disassemble them and sell the parts. So I thought, why not share with you guys? It's filled with all the luxury cars, new cars. Behind me is Cullinan, half body. So yeah, so let me show you all the cars they have and the way they work out in this area in Dubai. So you can see this is 418 and Bentley, a Rolls Royce over here, and over here they have all the Bentley parts for different luxury cars, bumpers, front, back. So this is a car which is damaged, the Rolls Royce. They're going to cut it, or somebody can repair it as well. They sell it like that as well. It is badly damaged from front. You can see they have almost all the cars. Very big warehouse. They do carry engine parts as well. The engines which come out with gears, everything you can see over here. All the spare parts. They have variety of cars, all the luxury. You can tell this is a small project they are doing themselves because they have parts, so they can do it. So yeah, let me show you over here the Bentleys, two of them. You can see it's been cut in half, two pieces. Front is different, back is different. This one is also the same. I mean, Maserati front bumpers available. Let's move there. I mean, you can see up there. They have a California T over there, back end. Bentleys. There's a Maserati over here, Bentley over here. This is a Urus which they are repairing. It's in a good shape from front, but you'll be surprised in the front. I mean, they're repairing it. They have put the new lights and everything. So over here they have dismantled the engine of a Rolls Royce. These are the pistons, you can see. And all the cars now. This is F12. It's fully flooded and it's not working. They are selling it as it is, but it has plenty of work in it. Let me show you the bonnet engine. So you can see it still looks perfect, but there's no power in it. So because the electric is totally damaged, and an electric will be figured out, then the engine will be the next project. And this is a Bentley, totally damaged. I mean, it's been, and I don't know what should I say. They did cut the piece over here to maybe sell it or something. So here is it, the Ferrari I was talking. You can see over here all the components are rusted and gave a big sign of salt in it. So yeah, it's a very big project to undercome, but to save a Ferrari, it's good. I mean, I was here to see the car if I can do something about it, but it's look out of my league. So we have a Lamborghini over here, hurricane probably, or something similar, which is unidentifiable, totally damaged. There are quite many Bentleys. Over there we have Aston Martin and 458 back. It does have a front as well, but most of the parts has been taken off. Urus, only the back. The front is sitting in the front. Quite many cars, and above that you can see all the fenders, bonnets, bumpers of different cars. Like over there we have a Ferrari pair, yellow and red, lying over there. Most of them are Ferraris, part and silver as well. I mean, you can see. So yeah, I mean, another Maserati. We have all the wheels as well available. I mean, the cars they destroy. I mean, they take out the wheels, which they sell separately. So yeah, like you can see over here, it's a Bentley's pair, full available. There's quite many things over here which can be figured out, but it's quite difficult. So yeah, check this out, fully damaged from the side. And they have sold quite many parts. As you can see, they are missing over here. So probably they have sold them or taken them out. An Aston Martin hit from the back. Maserati, sorry, this is a Maserati here. So yeah, everywhere there are parts. Wherever you see, you will see parts everywhere. Over here there is a stock room where they keep the parts, all the windows, front windscreens and side door glass, brake calipers, all the parts are there. So yeah. Engines are on the other side of this. This is California Street. And over there we have all the interior parts, probably seats, dashboards and everything are lined up there. You can see doors are on this side. Yeah, another Aston Martin lying over there. Maserati, Aston Martin again. So yeah. So this is the body which is cut in half, and you can see the dashboard. It's a right-hand drive car. They buy internationally as well, and so they buy all over the world and bring them over here and cut them, disassemble them and sell the parts, which is a very big game. As you can see, it's a very big showroom. And over here we have the engine parts, suspension, all the mechanical parts are available over here for all the cars. Disassemble. Yeah. It's quite difficult to manage, I mean, and to remember what is what and what we have, what we don't have. But yeah. Yeah guys, I just wanted to show you, came here to have a look at this Ferrari F8, F12, which is one of its kind. I mean, it's one of my favorite Ferraris, and it's lying over here with studded tag on it. So yeah. Well, it should be restored and everything. It can be done. Nothing is impossible, but for the time being, it's here. So let's see what happens to it. So yeah, guys, this is something really amazing. I mean, look at this car. It's very bad from the back. It's a Bentley. It's been totaled as well. Yeah, guys, this is it. I mean, this is a small place where I visited for all the luxury cars. Ferrari, Lamborghini, name the car, Maserati, every car is here. And they have all the parts available, I mean, for the cars they have, which they normally sell. And look at this, a Ferrari Dawn cover. It's lying here. So yeah, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and see you next time soon in another video. So till then time, take care, goodbye.